Load test reports contain the statistics gathered during the load and performance test. The report begins with the quality of service results, also known as performance criteria, which provide a quick way to determine whether further investigation is needed. If all performance metrics meet expectations, then the application under test is considered to have met the organization's standards. However, if there are failures, the report helps identify where deeper analysis is required. This leads the users to the statistics page where they can view the number of transactions that occurred for each operation, along with any failure counts. Additionally, they can review the maximum, minimum, and average execution time for each transaction. These insights help narrow down issues to specific API operations that may have caused problems during the test. From there, users can dive deeper into the detailed reports page, which includes customizable graphs that highlight the most relevant metrics. This enables users to focus on specific API operations of interest, helping them identify patterns such as where performance begins to degrade or operations start to fail. All of this information can be shared with development teams to assist in debugging and resolving performance issues uncovered during the test.